Hey gems, in this video I'm going to be doing Tetris braids, straight backs on my son. Straight backs is coming back. They have the boho ones, but these Tetris braids are in. I'm gonna post the Fulani hairstyle picture of it in the corner here, but yeah, they are back. So I was like, okay, if the girlies is wearing the Tetris braids, let's see if I can create the Tetris look on my son. So here I am. I already sectioned it off. I have a straight backs video that I'll also put at the end of this video and just show how I section off four cornrows, or it was four sections. You can either make 4 cornrows or 8. In that video, it is 8 braids. So I am using the same format because it will be 8 braids, 4 on each side. So as you can see right here, I am braiding down. I had already parted it for you guys because when doing these Tetris braids, it's kind of difficult when trying to record. So I already had this parted, so I'm just doing the braid. Let me know if you want to see a video on how to part for Tetris braids. It's really not difficult at all. It's literally making that L shape to the back. But if you really want a very detailed video, please let me know in the comments below. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when I post. I'm trying to be more consistent with posting hair tutorials. With this hairstyle, you want to make sure you have clips and things like that. You're going to see me constantly fixing and perfecting the part for while I'm braiding because I want it to come out looking nice. You're going to see me soon grabbing the rat tail comb and kind of pulling against it because I don't want him to have tension in those parts where I turn. That can easily happen when doing cornrows. So yeah, you see I'm just fixing, making sure no hair is trying to come over. I really should have used some metal clips, but I didn't. And when you're doing cornrows or any type of braids, you want to make sure you comb it out. As you can see right here, I'm pulling. It does seem like it hurt, but it doesn't. You would have seen a facial reaction for him. I do it gently, but with the camera being sped up, things can look like I am traumatizing the person, but I'm really not. But those areas that you see me pull are the parts that I do not want to be too tight at all. Also, you want to make sure when you get to the nape of the person's back, like end of their hairline, like their back nape area, you want to make sure it's not tight as well. So you want to make sure it looks tight but isn't pulling tight. I hope that makes sense. Also, if you're not following me on any of my platforms, I have it listed in the corner left side. Go follow me on all those platforms. I hope you guys try this hairstyle. It was very fun. And yeah, so enjoy the rest of this video. Also, I want to say this hairstyle lasted about 2.5 weeks, but that is with wearing a durag every night. Also, make sure you're moisturizing the scalp. Make sure you're wearing the shower cap, but it lasted about 2.5 weeks with his hair texture. He is not a 4C. I want to say he's like 2B. He's like very loose curls, but this is done on blow dried hair. So, but his curl pattern is not a very kinky curl pattern, so it lasted a while. And all the products that I use will be listed below. Make sure you click those. That it will help make the hairstyle last a lot longer when styling it. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the rest of this video. Make sure you subscribe, like, leave a comment, hit that notification bell, and enjoy the rest of this video. Thank you for your support. Peace and hair grease.